Why to open standby letter of credit? Are you facing cash flow issues to conclude your deals on time? Now you can easily conclude your trade deals without paying your supplier upfront. Thinking how? We are having the solution for you. Get standby letter of credit today. With the use of SBLC, you can purchase goods from your local supplier and make the payment for the supplied goods on credit basis. To open standby letter of credit on behalf of your company at zero cash margin, contact Bronze Wing Trading LLC, the SBLC Providers, in Dubai. To know more about the SBLC issuance process, email us support@importletterofcredit.com. Call us 9714551969. Phone or WhatsApp or bottom 9715046487661. Visit www.importletterofcredit.com.